In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add password protected pages in Notion websites. If you're building a site from Notion pages, there are times when you need a page to stay exactly as it is. No accidental edits, no last minute changes sneaking in after you share it. Notion's built-in way to protect a page is called Lock Page. While this doesn't place a password screen in front of the page for public viewers, it does prevent edits unless someone with permission deliberately unlocks it. That makes it ideal for creating stable, read-only pages on your Notion-powered website. Start by opening Notion and selecting the page you want to protect. You can grab it from the sidebar, your workspace home, or by using Quick Find. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page, especially if you keep multiple drafts with similar names. Locking applies at the page level, so you'll repeat this process for each page you want to secure. With the page open, head to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the page menu. This menu is where you'll find powerful page-level controls like export, share, and the lock option. If you don't see the lock control, check that you have edit rights on the page. Only users with sufficient permissions can lock or unlock it. Now click Lock Page. You'll see the page switch into a protected state immediately. Editing controls are disabled, your cursor won't drop into text blocks, and a small lock indicator confirms the status. Viewers can still read everything, but edits are blocked until someone intentionally unlocks the page. This is especially helpful during launches, when multiple collaborators are involved, or any time you want to guarantee a consistent, unchanging version. Need to make an update later? Return to the same three-dot menu, choose Unlock Page, make your edits, and then lock it again before sharing or publishing. Remember, locking doesn't change who can view the page. It only prevents edits. If you need to adjust who can view or comment, manage that in the page's share and permission settings. A quick tip for website builders. If your goal is a true password prompt for visitors, that typically comes from your site framework or the platform you use to publish Notion pages. Use Lock Page alongside those tools to keep your content stable while you manage access separately. And that's it. Select the page, open the three-dot menu, and lock it. Your Notion page is now protected from edits and ready to share with confidence.